In this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing step by step. And believe it or not, it's actually much easier than you think. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to start affiliate marketing step by step. Hello, I'm Alston, and as an affiliate marketer, I've promoted everything from stand mixers to security cameras, sound bars, microwaves, web hosting, you name it, I've promoted it. So I actually have experience in what I'm doing, and I'm not just trying to sell you a course or have only promoted how to sell a course. So if you're interested in learning real tips and tricks on affiliate marketing, make sure you subscribe to this channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description if you want my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online with affiliate marketing step by step. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. You want to start affiliate marketing, but you don't necessarily know where to begin. And this video is going to lay it all out for you. You won't need another video after watching this one. So the first thing that you need, step number one, is you need a product. Now, any product or service will work. It can be a product that you have lying around the house. It can be a product that you recently purchased. It can be a product that you've thrown away. Any product can and will work. And so what you're going to do is once you have that product in mind, you're going to figure out an affiliate program that has that product. So for example, if we are promoting web hosting, as you can see on the screen here, Bluehost has an affiliate program. If they didn't, I could go up to the search bar and I could type in web hosting affiliate program, just like this. We're going to delete that. And you're going to see there are a list of different web hosting affiliate programs. So instead of web hosting, you're going to put in whatever product or service or niche that you're interested in. So that's step one. It's really easy. Once you find that affiliate program, you're just going to go and click on apply. For example, if we're looking at Bluehost, I'm going to scroll all the way down here and I'm going to look for affiliates. I'm going to click on this link and walk through the process of applying. Once we have that taken care of, we're going to move to the next step. And the next step is simply to figure out where your traffic or where your audience is. These group of people have a problem and they need this web hosting. They just don't know it yet. And so what we need to do is we need to spend maybe 20 minutes figuring out exactly where your customer base is. And if you think about it, there are billions of people on the internet every single day. There are millions of people at various places. And so finding traffic shouldn't be that difficult. Most often people are on Google, they're on YouTube, they're on Facebook, they're on TikTok, they're on Instagram, they're on LinkedIn, they're on Twitter, they're on Reddit. So they're spread out all over the place. You should be able to find your target audience because quite honestly, if you found a product that was lying around your house, you probably went to different places to find the solution to yourself. So for example, if we're going to promote web hosting, we know that people are on YouTube and they need web hosting. So our traffic, the way that we're going to get in front of our targeted audience is YouTube. That's where our traffic source is going to be. And that's real easy. That is simply step number two. Step number three is just to figure out what problems they're having. Most likely, if you're using a product that you found around the house, you did some research and you looked up different questions or problems that you were having. So you can do the same thing. You can turn around and teach that to somebody else. In this example, we're going to use Bluehost and web hosting. Most likely, the people that need Bluehost don't have a website, or they want to start a website, or they want to start a blog. And so they're coming over to YouTube and they're typing in something like how to start a website. And as you can see, people are looking up all sorts of things. How to start a website for a plumber, for clothing, for affiliate marketing, how to start a website for a design business. You are simply going to gather a list of these words and phrases called keyword research, where you are going to do the next step, which is simply create content. Now, what I recommend that you do in the very beginning is get a list of about 30 keywords. Now, you're not necessarily going to make all 30 of these pieces of content right away. You just want to have a list to draw from. And this is just one of the ways. Another question that your target audience is asking is they're maybe asking Bluehost reviews. And as you can see here, people are asking Bluehost reviews 2022, and they just want an honest opinion on Bluehost. You're simply going to use these keywords to help you with the next step. Another thing that people are doing is they're doing Bluehost versus, and then they're actually looking at their different competitors. For example, Bluehost versus Namecheap. They want to know which one is right for their situation. So you're simply going to do a simple comparison. Another thing that they may be asking, again, this is with regard to Bluehost, but this can work for anything, is we could do something like best web hosting for small business, like that. And you're going to see people are asking question, what is the best web hosting for small business? This result here has 7.8 thousand views from just a year ago. This person only has 9,000 subscribers. So you can see that you don't need a large subscriber base in order to start building an online business with affiliate marketing. So now that you have a list of maybe 20 or 30 keywords, or at least ideas where you want to create content, the next step is to go out and create that content. And what you're just going to do is you're going to create content for the platform that you picked earlier, in our case, YouTube, where you're going to solve a customer's problem. You're going to answer the question that they posed during their keyword research phase. For example, best web hosting for small business. You're going to put together a list of the 5 or 6 best web hosting providers for small business. You're going to include why those are the best. And then at the end of the video, which we'll talk about in just a moment, you're going to add in your call to action. We'll talk about that later. But if we did something like how to start a yoga blog, like this, you're simply going to walk them through the steps of starting a yoga blog. Step number 1 is get domain name and web hosting. Click the link in the description for my favorite or best and my number 1 recommended web hosting provider. Number 2, you're going to install WordPress. So you're going to walk them through the steps of going from no website to a blog. You're going to do it step by step, and you're simply just going to do this over and over again. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you are going to want to consistently create content to get in front of your target audience. Now, the amount of times that you do this per week or per day will be up to you, but I recommend that you take a look and see what other leaders are doing in the traffic. For example, on YouTube, are people uploading 3 times per week? On TikTok, they might be uploading 3 or 4 times per day. So the amount of content that you need to get seen in the algorithm or get seen or discovered will vary by your traffic source. If you're doing Pinterest, that actually might be something different altogether. But you're simply, in this stage, you're going to create content to answer the question and solve the initial problem. You're just going to do that again and again and again. And then the last step is simply to just add a call to action. Now, I actually have had 2 calls to action in this video. And earlier in the video, I said, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing. That was the first call to action. I also had a call to action about starting a blog. Click the first link in the description for my number 1 recommended web hosting provider to help them start a blog. That's simply what a call to action is. You want to tell your target audience to take the next steps, because if you don't tell them what to do, they're not going to do it. And somebody else will get your commission. So just to recap real quick, step number 1 is to find a product or service that you want to promote and apply to become an affiliate. Step number 2 is you want to find where your target audience is hanging out. That's called traffic. Step number 3 is you want to figure out what questions your target audience is asking. That's called keyword research. Your next step, number 4, is you're going to create content to get in front of that target audience. That is creating content. Step number 5 is you are going to add a call to action at the beginning and even possibly end of every one of your pieces of content, because for the most part, people don't stay for the entire duration of the video. Now that you know how to start affiliate marketing step by step, click the first link in the description to get my free unemployee handbook. This is a call to action where you'll learn how to start affiliate marketing step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to learn more. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.